In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Gmail. To get started, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp Workspace in your browser. From your dashboard, navigate to any list where you normally see your tasks. It might be something like an All Tasks list inside your main workspace. The exact name isn't important as long as you're in a list view where the main ClickUp toolbar is visible at the top of the screen. At the top right, look for the Profile or Settings area. This is usually represented by your avatar or initials or a small drop-down icon. Click that highlighted area to open the menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This will take you to your personal and workspace settings page where we can access email features. Once you're in Settings, look down the left-hand side menu for Email Integration. Click on Email Integration to open the email options. This is where ClickUp lets you connect your email provider so you can send and receive emails directly from tasks. On the email integration page, you'll see different connection options. We want to connect Gmail, so look for the button that says Sign in with Google and click it. This will open a Google sign-in window or tab. If you already use this browser for Gmail, you may see one or more Google accounts listed. In the Google sign-in window, select the Google account you want to connect to ClickUp. If your account is already listed, simply click on it. If it's not listed, you may need to add it first by signing into Google separately, then coming back and choosing it. After selecting your account, Google will show you a permissions screen. This explains what ClickUp is allowed to do with your Gmail, such as reading emails and sending messages on your behalf. Take a moment to scroll through and review these permissions, then click Continue to move forward. You may see an additional confirmation step with highlighted options to confirm the access you're granting. Follow the on-screen prompts, clicking the highlighted buttons to agree and proceed. Keep confirming until the Google window closes automatically or indicates that the connection is complete. When you return to ClickUp, your Gmail account should now be linked. From here on, you'll be able to send emails from within ClickUp tasks using that Gmail address, and depending on your settings, view related email threads right alongside your work. That's all you need to integrate ClickUp with Gmail.